working on a Z today. You want to see what I'm doing? Check this out. Alright, so Z's in for customer work. Customer wants a diff brace. I've never built one before, so this is going to be new for me. And essentially the diff brace, because these Z's only have one diff bolt on the cover, during clutch kicking and all that stuff, they're actually blowing these things up. So the diff brace, which there's a through hole right here in the subframe, and guys that make them run a bolt through it and then some sort of bracket that comes down to bolt and support the diff on the right side. We're going to make something fancy. I can't do nothing plain, so there's going to be some hot fire right here. So first steps, I'm guessing we're going to take some measurements and then throw it in Fusion, see if we can draw something up really cool. Here's the pieces we got cut out. Let's get them cleaned up. Got them all cleaned up. Now we don't want to weld onto this mill scale. You can, but we got a sandblaster. We're just going to get these sanded up, get them cleaned, so the welds look a little nicer. Here's a completed diff brace installed. Only thing I'm missing on this is the spacer to go between the subframe here, which I haven't installed on this one just yet. But there we go. Took it from idea to design, finished product, powder coated it. She's ready to rip.